Hey y'all, Summer Bravo here. As a kindergarten parent, I think it would be very helpful if we went over a few things about sign-on parties. I'm here with Dorsey Breslin, who is a longtime parent and alum of the school, and she has all the answers for us. So can you tell me a little bit about what is a sign-on party?
Sure. A sign-on party is a party that's hosted by either one St. Mary's family or a group of St. Mary's families to help raise money for the school. And the way they work is the hosts take on the expenses of the party. And when people sign up for the party and they pay money to attend, all of that money goes directly to St. Mary's. And actually, in the past, we've raised about $30,000 to $40,000 through the sign-on parties.
Great, so that's an excellent fundraiser for our school that is a part of our lovely auction. With these parties, do you think you could tell me a couple of types or popular ones we've had in the past and what they look like?
Yeah, so most years there's end of the school year class parties. Each grade will have an end of year party. Sometimes it's a pool party, sometimes it's a barbecue, sometimes it's just meeting up at a playground. And most people from the class from that grade do sign up for them. Other parties that I've been to in the past are derby parties, mom's night out at someone's backyard pool. Those sorts of things. And actually this year, me and some of my friends will be hosting a pickleball party here at Army Navy in September.
Oh, great. So there's a lot of ways these parties can look like, if it's like a sporting tournament type thing or something for the kids.
Yeah, that's what's nice is some of the events are more family friendly. Some of them are just for adults. Some of them are just for moms. Some are just for dads. So you can really do whatever you want. And it's a great way to meet new people, because when you sign on to the parties, it's usually sometimes people you don't know, or you can get together with a group of friends and all sign on. But I know that when I came to St. Mary's, it was a great way for me to meet new people and new families. And some of my friends to this day are people I met at sign-on parties.
My first interaction with the school was an Italian night party as a new family. So I so appreciate people hosting things like that. Most importantly, how can we sign on to participate or attend one of these sign-on parties?
You can sign on to attend by using the Gala app. They will have a list of all the parties and you just sign on there. The money will then be donated to the school when you sign on. After you've signed on for the party, the hosts will send you a separate evite or email with all of the specifics about the party.
And as someone who's helping with the sign-on parties as part of the Gala committee, if you would like to sponsor a sign-on party, we will be sending information about that in the messenger again, and you can find it on our Gala and auction website. Thank you so much.
Thank you.